y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is London Tay coming to you today with another video, girl. Today's video I'm going to show you guys just kind of like a quick video on how I installed these 3 bundles of this raw hair by Studio. I really don't know how to say the name. Techilo, something like that. But yes, I'm just going to do a 1-part sewing, girl. Nothing crazy, with the edges and the back and everything left out. That is what I'm going to do. Like I said, we used 3 bundles from her hairline. This is, I think, her first or second install with these bundles. I can't remember, but I know these have been installed twice so far. So yeah. Where she got these bundles, all of that will be referred to the person who owns the hairline. It's like a raw hairline. I'm sure you guys have heard of her. She's on YouTube as well, and it's like Studio Techilo or something like that. That's the YouTube name. Bomb hair. Now, like I said, she used 3 bundles. Now, everybody doesn't use 3 bundles. A lot of people only use 2 bundles. But I guess that's for like smaller heads if you use 2 bundles. So yeah, so this hair does shed a little bit, but it's curly hair, so that's expected. We did install it twice, and we did cut the weft, so that will kind of loosen up hair and make hair shed more often. The braid pattern that I'm doing is like a beehive, and I'm going to connect all the braids together and things like that. And yeah, girl, yeah. So yeah, I'm just showing you guys how I combined everything together and combined all the braids together. Now after that, I did put the net on, and the net basically keeps the hair protected, and it also keeps the style lasting longer. Make sure you do oil the scalp, beneath the net. But the net is a great protective barrier, okay? So, yeah. So, that's basically it, guys. Just watch and learn what I'm doing. And, yeah. This is not really like a tutorial. This is to show you guys how the hair looks and everything like that. Now, I did do like a 1-part sew-in. This part of her hair is a little thinner than the other part, so whenever we did this first install, that was cool, but we tried it on the other side, and then we realized that her other side is like a lot fuller on the roots. However, the part that I did still turned out really, really good. Once everything dries, you won't be able to kind of like see through the tracks, see through the hair onto the tracks like it is when it's wet. So, of course, that's always a great thing. So yeah, like I said, everything that we use will be in the description box below. I think it was like 22, 24, 26, or 24, 26, 28, or something like that. She's 5'8", so the hair came pretty long on her. And yeah, so her curl pattern matches it on the front, but the back of her hair and all the other parts of her hair does not match the curl pattern. Her hair is too tight, but it does look like it matches it, just from looking at it from a distance and things like that. But she has to put a little bit of work on it to make it blend. And I recommend 2-strand twists for people that want their natural hair to blend in with like more other natural textures that are a little looser. 2-strand twists will really get you where you want to go. So yeah, guys, love you guys so much. Everything that I use for the curly hair products will be in the description box below, but I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys I did use the Shea Moisture, and I used a little bit of oil and some water. Oh, and gel, of course. Gel is a number 1 uno. Gel is super important. I'm going to show you guys how I do and sew the net down. Yeah, I'm going to show you guys kind of how I do everything, and I will talk to you on my next video. Love y'all. Bye.
Staring out the window, reaching for a North Star, waiting just to wake up from this nightmare where you could be right back in my arms, dancing to the limbo, stuck here in the middle. You tell me that it's simple, but I could paint 1,000 different pictures of what is wrong. But if we turn the clocks back a couple dials, we should throw them out, because time ain't ours, oh, but you fill me up, and I can feel it now. Like a camel through the needle, everyday people are just 1,000 versions of who they were. So love me like we're equal, 'cause if there is no sequel, I'd rather live in peaceful understanding that we believed our every single word. Turn the clocks back a couple dials, we should throw them out, because time ain't ours, oh. Burn these blocks down a couple miles, we could build them up until the sky was as old. I lived 100 years of solitude with you, and never questioned what gives anyone the right to believe these superstitions outside of human intuition. 'Cause tonight it's enough for me to know that you and I exist inside this paradise. And if we turn the clocks back a couple dials, we should throw them out, because time ain't ours, oh. Burn these blocks down a couple miles, we could build them up until the sky was as old. Staring out the window, reaching for a North Star, waiting just to wake up from this nightmare where you could be right back in my arms, dancing to the limbo, stuck here in the middle. You tell me that it's simple, but I could paint 1,000 different pictures of what is wrong. But if we turn the clocks back a couple dials, we should throw them out, because time ain't ours, oh, but you fill me up, and I can feel it now. She said life is just a symbol for the pain that you can get through. Like a camel through the needle, everyday people are just 1,000 versions of who they were. So love me like we're
I don't want any plastic. I don't want any ground floors. And I don't want to get married ever then. You understand that? I want to do what I want to do.